Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to repin an ordinary double profile cylinder. The tools we need is a C-clip spreader. This is a modified tools of mine, came from a circlip. I modified these tools for my C-clip spreader. Plug follower, which is 8 millimeter long and 12 millimeter diameter. We also need a tweezer, a long plug follower. The plug follower I recommend should be, if you are using the tube plug follower, you should close one side of it for easy installation of top pins. Okay. And also a C-clip installer. This is a C-clip installer which I came from an mechanical plier which been modified to use as a C-clip installer. Okay, so let's start. First we have to open up the C-clip. I already opened one, so we will open the next. I just prepared to finish the first one so that it will be faster, because this video is limited for 10 minutes. Alright, so we will spread out the C-clip. Okay, spread it out now, and then this is the one I hold for the C-clip. This is so that it will be easy for you to handle it, and that's the way. So it's already been removed, and then we need a key to remove and drop the pins. Okay, drop the pins. And on the next one, we don't need to, if it is not on the master, if it is just on the individual key, all we need is just remove the cam and the engagement on it. Also, all we need then is install a plug follower, and then push through, retaining the other top pins. So that is so, and then we will have to bring back the other spring from this side, because we drop it all on one side. So this is what happens. I will show you on an open housing double profile. We will see how does it look like inside. Now this is how it look like in an open double profile cylinder housing. Okay, so this is your plug follower, and we'll start installing the top pins. This is the security pins. So what you do is insert the pin pushing the spring on, and let it be locked by the plug follower, and then you'll have to push that top pin down again, releasing a little the plug follower, and so on. So this is we will install the four top pins, and one which is a kind of a hard top pins, which is also will protect from anti-drilling also. I think it is made of stainless steel. Now after the top pin are all been installed, it's time to rekey the core on the new key. And after this is finished, you will reinstall it. I will reinstall it and the core now. Remember, this is an open core for illustration only, alright? So in installing this core, you should not align it with the top chamber. You should put it sideways, and also avoid this slot here, because the top pins will drop there and you will have a problem on removing it later on. It will be locked, so you'll have to do it like this, a slide way like this, not align with the top pins. Slide it, okay, and then it's time to install the plug follower, which is cut off. And installing here, installing the plug follower, you have to push it with anything that is thin. Install another one, and another one. Okay, now after it is finished, then install the next core on the other side, allowing the cut off plug follower to drop. Now we will install the cam links. And then after the cam links, we will install the cam. We'll have to push the core further to engage, and also the second core. After it is finished, then when it is locked from there, then it's time for us to turn it to align with the top pin chamber. Okay, now you'll have to try with the key. Alright, so it's working. On the other side, it's working. Now we will install the clip. We'll install the clip on this side. We'll take this out. This is just for demonstration only. This kind of, so that it will not tip down. Now we will clip the cam on its position.